I think we need to educate a lot more people. What keeps me up at night is that there are so many mainstream influencers, so many policymakers, so many investors and money managers that still don't understand half an hour or an hour worth of Bitcoin fundamentals. But the world is still full of incredible numbers of people at every level, from the top ranks of our government to leaders, captains of industry, down to rank and file. The world's full of people that don't understand the theory of money. They don't understand what money is, right? They would say, oh, money is a medium of exchange. Okay, so therefore I guess the peso is just as good as the dollar, is just as good as Bitcoin, just, because they're all just mediums of exchange to somebody, right? And so the lack of awareness of the theory of money, that's something that keeps you up at night. The world is full of people that don't understand the power of an open, permissionless monetary network, right? The fact that you can move $1 million from here to Africa and you could do it in an open rail, and then you could do it 1 million times cheaper than the conventional 20th century banking system, and you could do it 1 million times better, and then you could program it 1 million times faster. So most people, they don't realize that money is technology. They don't really understand what true non-defective money is, because every monetary system in the history of the world has collapsed, and every money that's ever been invented before Bitcoin was objectively defective mathematically and physically. And so because people don't have that fundamental understanding of the physics of money, and they don't understand that money is technology, they're not looking for the solution. They have this massive blind spot. But they do have power, right? The world is full of people with money, with power, and with influence that are ignorant of these two basic principles. And the first principle explains to you why you would want to own Bitcoin. And the second principle explains to you why the future is 8 billion people with devices plugging in via the Lightning protocol to each other to trade and to run the economy of the 21st century. So we have to go and educate those leaders so that they embrace and adopt this physically perfected money and this ethical open network.